with us Gino Padilla and Louie Heredia. Please join us. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Lucy.
Kulang ng isa kasi may sakit.
Nambunan daw.
Si Raymond may sakit.
Oo, sakitin yata talaga.
Lemon.
What? Get well soon, Raymond.
Yes.
All of you are icons of the 80s. When they say 80s, what comes to mind? What are your memories of the 80s?
Good things, so many good things about the 80s. Dahil syempre, unang-una, yun yung era natin.
Oo.
80s ka ba?
ako.
90s?
Hindi, 80s ako.
Si
I was
Goma,
a
yan. 80s na
child.
80s yan. Bale, yun nga, narinig namin, we breathe 80s. Kung ano yung mga music na magaganda ng 80s, yun ang nasa puso
I think
natin.
it's still the best, the 80s,
yes,
diba? That's
yes.
why palaging binabalik-balik yun. So those are good times for you as well, even if you were busy performing.
I started 1983. Nasa banda na kasi ako, Sikada, so most of the songs we did were all 80s.
Yeah,
Sa 83,
yeah.
Sikada Band, etc. etc.
Gino, what are your memories of the 80s?
Well, very good. Like Randy said, I started 1986, and then we had this samahan nga with Kino. It's called Triple Treat, no?
Yes.
That was my first time to work with this great guy. And along with that, nagkaroon kami ng marami ng mga projects, no? And yung memories ko ron is yung commercial sa Pepsi.
Yes, we were
With
just
Tina
talking
Turner.
about that.
Yes, that was a big break for me. It's not only for myself, but I was, inaalik yon sa Philippines.
Sa Philippines,
Because
yeah, to be with...
at that time, when I went there to shoot, they were saying, oh, Philippines, parang hindi pa, question mark pa sa kanila, 1986 siya.
Parang where's that, no?
Ngayon, syempre, kilala nila
Of
ng Philippines,
course.
no?
Louie,
Well, me naman, my case is a bit different because I'm not really active in show business anymore. I only said yes to this project because of my love for the 80s,
Yes.
and what the 80s gave me, the blessings that the 80s gave me. I would say right now that I look back at 2008 is the friendship. The friendship with Randy, Gino, Raymond, Martin, Pops, Gary.
Yes.
And up to this day, magkakaibigan pa rin kami.
at iba pa talaga yung magic ng 80s, no? What do you miss most about it? Ano yung feeling nyo na wala na talaga ngayon that only existed in the 80s, if there was such a thing?
Siguro yung mga big concerts
Oo,
talaga,
no?
no?
Yeah.
And then we used to have yung mga battling wars, yung Cola Wars ba?
Yeah.
Kasi si Raymond, yung wala siya rito, no? We belong sa Pepsi. Si
Sila.
Randy naman, Coke. Saka si Louie,
Star
Star Force
Force
sila.
na yun.
So kanya-kanya kaming lugar. Kung saan sila pumunta, syempre,
Meron din
kailangan
kayo.
higitan sila rin. Kung saan
That's why we
pumunta
never
kami.
really worked together before. Because Randy and me worked with Coke and they were with Pepsi.
You belong to different
Yeah,
teams,
so
to
that's
speak.
why this concert that we're having a repeat of is very memorable kasi it's the first time we're really all working together.
But it was just professional, right? When you'd see each other, you're friends.
Exactly.
Sino sa inyo ang may noontime show nung 80s? Kasi bata pa, Randy. Bata pa
I
kami
remember
ni...
that.
Hindi ko nabutan yun.
Lunch date, di ba?
Alam mo, naalala ko sa'yo.
Hindi ko malaman kung si Louie din.
Sa
Si
90s na
Louie,
ako.
90s na siya. And Gino.
Ang naalala ko talaga kay Randy, yung naalala niyo yung pera na 5 pesos, dinadrawingan ng shades. Nabutan mo yon? How come you guys look the same? You haven't aged one bit.
Oo nga,
Nagdidikdik ba kayo ng pearls? Tapos,
Si Gino nga mas pogi.
katawan mo.
Alam mo, mas maputi.
Hindi, mas
Ang
pogi.
so white,
Pareho pa
like-
din.
Tatalaga kaya pa, basta lahing mistiso kasi kami tatlo.
Lahing mestizo, but I'm sure may
Ako, babaero kayong tatlo.
Uy,
Lalong-lalo ka na.
lalo ka na.
Oh, ikaw kilabot.
But that
Ako,
was,
nagmana lang ako sa sa kakilala mo. Nakasama mo lagi na. Mas nakaero naman yung...
hindi, mas ikaw.
Ako ba?
Ikaw kaya. We will pause for a break. Babalikan natin kung sino ba talaga ang mas